Hey, welcome back to the channel here at Boat Deluxe. You know, we like to do boats, we like to do hot rods, and we definitely like to do food. Hey, I made a recent purchase this past Christmas I want to tell you about. A lot of my friends have bought air fryers and they tell me how great their air fryers are. But one thing they all seem to complain about is they wish it had just a little more capacity. So I did some research and I came across the Elite Gourmet EAF9100. 26 quart capacity, about 1640 watts. You know, with your air fryer temp or your oven temp, you can get between 200 and 450 degrees. It's got a 120-minute timer to time your cooking. One thing I really like about this unit, no plastic inside. I really don't like to cook in plastic. Occasionally I'll heat something in the microwave, but in general, I don't like to cook in plastic. You know, it's oil that comes to the ground. I don't want to oil my food, right? So let me tell you about this guy. We got an air fry function. We got a broil plus convection. We got a broil. We got toast plus convection, bake plus convection, and bake. So you've got some choices as to, are you going to use the upper element or are you going to use the lower element? Do you want the fan on high? Do you want the fan on low? It's just a really versatile air fry oven. You can get a 12-inch pizza in the thing. You know, I do frozen biscuits on the baking pan. 12 minutes, frozen biscuits done. Bam! Reheat or frozen pizza on the baking rack. And then with the air fryer, I do steaks, I do frozen burritos, I do French fries. Yeah, you name it, you can get it. You get it all cooked in this guy. It's just a really, really handy piece of kitchen equipment. Never thought I would use an air fryer as much as I am, but hey, once you get this thing in your kitchen, you get to using it. It's pretty handy. It cleans up real easy. Obviously, everything can just pop right out. Give it a quick scrub. Throw that in the dishwasher. You know, same thing with the other pieces. If you make a mess in the bottom, slide that crumb tray out, clean it off. Life is good. So a lot of the other air fryers that I saw on Amazon are, you know, 4, 5, 6, maybe 8 quart, and almost all plastic inside. So after a lot of research, I found this guy, no plastic, 26 quart capacity. This thing is just it's just a pleasure to have in the kitchen. Current Amazon price is about $133 plus tax and shipping. I rarely use the stove or the big oven anymore, shall we say. Yeah, but really, go on there, check it out, read up on it. Again, the Elite Gourmet EAF9100, 26 quart, 1640 watts, 120-minute timer. Lots of adjustments. Hey, I'm the computer guy from way back, and something I don't like in my appliances is the computer. So if you notice, no pushy buttons, no computer board to go bad. We just turn some knobs here, set it for real. I bet you this thing lasts a long time. I've had it for over a month now. You can see she's got a little cooking debris in there. I try to keep it up and clean stuff, but thanks. And I appreciate you watching the channel. Check out my other videos. I love hot rods, love boats, and love food. So appreciate you watching. Y'all have a great day. Catch you next time.